Hello everyone, this is Nitin here. I hope you are doing great. You're learning, you're enjoying your watercolor journey. And in this video, I wanted to talk about how to, preserve your painting because, you are spending a lot of time and effort for your painting, and you really definitely wanted to keep your painting safely, right? So I wanted to talk about what is my approach, how do I keep my painting safe, so I can I can just pull out anytime if I need to send it to any of my art collector or for the gallery work. So let me just show you first. This is my one of the very recent painting. In fact, just yesterday I completed this painting. This painting is from Haridwar. It's a holy city in India. It's a beautiful place. I really wanted to, I wanted to go there to paint, not just referring the images. So yeah, so I want to talk about how I'm going to preserve this painting. Okay, just take a look about this painting. So this is like this is the river Ganges and the tower, and the devotees came there to take a deep bath in the almighty river Ganga. And these are the surrounding temples, and the bridge and all of that. So that's the kind of the Haridwar city is about. And there's a lot of crowds here, so I'm yet to work on this. I'll be making that, the obvious. These are very random, the people, but I'll make it a little obvious. So yeah, so I'm going to preserve this painting. So the whole idea is to let you know what is my approach, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to generally I keep my painting in these in these cartons where I used to keep all my paintings, as you can see here, right? So these are my some galleries work. I really want to show you how I keep them. So let me just pull out this painting. Yay, come on. Yes. And here it is. So this is the size is around 30 by 22 inch. It's a quite large size painting, and if you can see here, so these all painting goes into that, right? So you can just save the life of the painting because a lot of dust and the scratches. The most important part is you should not leave any any scratches. If anything comes, then actually it hurts. It hurts this paper. So you need to be very careful while you are keeping your painting, right? So let me just give you an example. This painting, what I do is generally I take this and I have these cellophane papers, and there's a wrapper which is extremely helpful. So what I do is I take this paper, we can call it in a butter paper also. The good is this cellophane paper. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing right, but typically this is how it should be. Okay, so I just get this this butter paper. So what happens is when you are keeping like this, the grains are still same. You'll not get any dust or any such thing. And what you need to do is, suppose if you are stacking your painting one painting to another. So what you need to do is you just need to keep another paper like this, and keep this paper above top of it like this. I hope you are able to see this, right? And this, can you see this edge? So what you can do is possibly, if you just keep it in a box, make sure that your box should have some bit of gap all the corner, so your edges should not get spoiled. That's very important, because what happens if your box is not enough size to keep this the painting, so that will hurt the edges of it. So you need to be very careful about it. So keep that box in slightly bigger size. As you can see here, I have all of these boxes which easily can accommodate the bigger size, right? So also you can do is like you can just make a tape here, like you just use a paper tape to seal it. Okay, so just use that tape, so it will not go away. Your butter paper will stick, it will not go away when you're working. So keep that. So the whole thing works in this way. So I have been doing this process for many years, and as you can see, this work, for example, you can see the color of this color, the painting. It's still very charming. It doesn't have even a little bit of dust, and there's no any scratches or whatsoever. So it's a beautiful the way to keep your painting. So I hope this process might help you to keep your painting as well. The another thing what you can do is you can use this wrapper, bubble wrap wrapper. This is the foam wrapper. So basically this comes for for the packaging and all, but let me just tell you that this is not just for the wrapping. This is also very useful when you are actually you wanted to preserve your art. The reason being, this has very pulpy the surface. So if you just keep it like this, and suppose if you're keeping your painting, so that will just keep your painting very safe. So let me give you one example. So what you can do here is you can use this the foam based wrapper. Okay, so this is perfectly fine, and then you can put another color top of it like this, right? And then just put it this way. So this is absolutely safe. So I hope you understood this couple of the best practice, I would say, to keep your painting safe. So thank you so much everyone. I hope this video is going to help you to preserve your artwork. And I would request you to check my new classes on Skillshare. So these are very interesting classes available now. So currently I have 4 different classes available. So go and check them. You will be learning a lot of exciting techniques and the overall process of watercoloring. So the link I've given in the down below in the description. Just check that. Follow me there. Follow me in Instagram. I'm just keeping a lot of so in Instagram there is a lot of update coming in every day. So check that out, and I'll be coming with a new video very soon. See you.